At some point or another, we all have to send an invoice to somebody to get paid. This is very common in today's business. Most legit businesses want an invoice before they'll pay you any money. Now, if you don't have an invoice tool or software, fear not. If you use PayPal or Stripe, it'll do it for you, and it's really easy. And today we're going to talk about Stripe. First of all, my name is Zion, and I am the founder of the Get Known service. The Get Known service uses the Get Known strategy for content creators. We help YouTubers, bloggers, and podcasters get known in their space, whatever industry or field they're in, by putting out information. But we support them in creating content every single week that can be repurposed in all kinds of creative ways so that it builds their audience and draws clients and customers to them. If you're interested in our service, check out the link below. We also have a really sweet free tool on how to use Canva. It's a complete mini course on how to use Canva, which is like the online Photoshop that's taking over the world right now. It's pretty amazing. There's a free course below if you want to take it, and then you'll know how to use Canva. All right, let's jump into it today. So most of my customers use Kajabi, which is a great software, all-in-one software program that lets you build websites, create blogs. It does your whole CRM and email subscription services. It has funnels, it has tools, but it also takes payments for any kind of online courses or coaching products that you want to sell. It's a fantastic program. If you're interested, go to justgetthistool.com. That's my affiliate link, and you can get a trial membership if you go there. So what happens is when you set up a Kajabi account or other types of websites, it uses what's called Stripe on the back end to take payments. So to take payments like if somebody wants to purchase your course or pay for your coaching program, you've got to have some kind of way of receiving credit cards, right? Well, Stripe is kind of like, is that. That is what it does. And today I'm going to show you how to do this in Stripe to be able to send invoices very easily with the contacts that are in Stripe, or adding new contacts. Let me show you. Okay, so just go to stripe.com. You're going to log in, go to your dashboard over here on the top right. And once here, you're going to choose which account you're going to use. And let's just choose my Get Known account. And we're going to go to our customers over here on the far right. And I'm going to add a new customer. This is just a dummy customer. And let's say it's Zion Test Guy. All right. And I'm going to just put my personal email in there, and we're going to add, I'm just going to add this customer here. And what we're going to do is go over here to the far right, and we're going to click Actions. We're going to say Create an Invoice. So we're going to charge him for something. You're going to go over here to Items, and we have there's multiple things we've done for this person. You can either create a new product or add a new one in here, or add a existing item that you already have. Let's do podcast and Get Known services. Let's say I worked on something for him. It was a one-off charge, and let's do $1,500. And let's add another one. I'm going to say save and add another one. And let's add maybe some domain work, domain servicing. Maybe I helped him with his GoDaddy account or something. Here's 300 here, and we'll hit save. All right, so now these are the two things we want to invoice this person for. We could add tax if we wanted to, but we're not going to do that. I'm just going to say, no, I'm good to go. I'm going to just do this. And then we could add something like thanks, or a more personal message like your business is really appreciated, yada, yada. You can decide when that's due. And if they have their credit card on file, you can actually have it automatically charge them, and the invoice is more of a receipt. But we're not going to do that. Okay, over here on the right, it's going to show a preview pane. And if that's not showing, you can click this button up here. This is to hide and show the preview pane. There's no reason to hide it. This is going to show you what the email is going to look like when they get it. It's going to use the email you put in for the contact, and it's going to send them an email with this invoice. And attached to this invoice will be a PDF. So this is what the PDF will look like. This is for their records, so they can put it in, and it'll be nice and slick. And then what happens is in the email, there's a big button, and when they click that and pay the invoice, it will go over here to the payment page, and it'll open a URL basically where they can put their credit card information in, and they can pay it. So we're going to go ahead and do that and take a look at what that's going to look like. I'm going to hit review invoice over here. And if we want to add somebody else onto this email, we could, another person, like to CC another person, but we're going to just go ahead and send it. Just as slick as that. And now let's go check to see what this invoice actually looked like. Okay, so I have an email that came to me to this, my personal account. And it's got the information. It's got the line items here of what this is about. It's a big button here to pay the invoice. And then down at the bottom, there is the actual PDF of, they can save this right here. They can save attachment like that, and they can save that to their files if they wanted to. And this is that nice PDF that most people are used to, most businesses are used to seeing. So let's go ahead and pay that. I'm pretending as if I am the client now, or the client. And I'm going to click this. It's going to open a URL, and there I can put all the information in. And then hit pay, and literally that's it. It's super easy, and then it'll show up as a payment in my Stripe account after they've paid it. It's seriously that easy. It's so good. What I love about this is that it does all this for you, and it creates this nice PDF for you, so you don't have to worry about how things are going to look, and you don't have to get some kind of PDF creator or use Google Docs and try to create some kind of invoice looking type form or template. You don't have to do any of that. Stripe has already done it for you. Just add the information, send the invoice out. Bada bing, bada boom. I hope that helped, guys.